Hello and welcome to the Caster channel. In today's video, we're going to cover an important topic for those looking to change the country or region associated with their Apple ID without losing access to their subscriptions, apps, and data. Many people believe that when you switch your Apple ID to a different region, you automatically lose all your subscriptions and content, but that's not entirely true. You just need to be aware of the right steps to minimize disruptions and resubscribe to your services smoothly. So let's dive into it. First, it's important to understand that when you change your Apple ID region, Apple requires you to cancel your active subscriptions. But here's the key. You won't lose the data or history tied to these subscriptions. Once you've moved to your new region, you can simply resubscribe to those services if they are available in the country you've switched to. To avoid any surprises, I recommend noting which subscriptions you have active and ensuring they're available in the new region before making the switch. Another thing to keep in mind is app availability. Some apps you've downloaded in your current region may not be available in your new country's app store. Don't worry though, even if the app is no longer available, you'll still have access to the apps you've already downloaded on your device. However, updates or in-app purchases might not work if the app is restricted in your new country. If possible, check for regional differences in your essential apps before you switch. One area where you won't experience loss is with your purchased content. Your previously purchased apps, music, movies, and other media will remain linked to your Apple ID. But note that certain content may not be available for re-download if it's restricted in your new region, so I recommend backing up your purchases and data before making the switch, just in case. Finally, when switching regions, Apple requires you to update your payment method. Make sure you have a valid payment option that works in the new region to continue making purchases smoothly. Once that's done, you can resubscribe to your favorite services and re-establish your billing information. So in summary, changing your Apple ID region is possible without losing your data, but it's important to take these steps to avoid disruptions. Cancel your subscriptions, resubscribe afterward, check app availability, and back up your purchases and data. That way, your transition will be as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.